Alright lads, we are back at this golf island place again. Today I just wanted to give you some tips and tricks about how you can actually manage to find a good compositions within your work. Basically, my professor teach me this in design school is that when you squint your eyes, right? When you squint your eyes, you will start to see the hierarchy of the framing, the compositions in the scenes. So it really helps a lot if you trying to see like whether this should be higher or this should be smaller. So yeah, it's basically the hierarchy of the frame and that kind of stuff. And the other tips that my professor gave me, which is that to see if the composition is good or not, you have to see it in the smaller icon. So basically maybe like zoom out a little bit more and view it more like as a whole itself, as a smaller icon. It will makes you feel like you will actually just realize that, oh, this is a good composition or not, based on that tips that I gave you right there. So yeah, another one is that I feel like there's a way that you can try to manipulate it in order to learn to understand more of the color and lighting. Basically, a few years ago I started doing some traditional painting, watercolors, and acrylic painting and all that kind of stuff. Surprisingly, these traditional mediums help me to understand more of how you get to understand more about how color and shading works. So yeah, I think that really helps a lot with doing some digital artwork like Roblox GFX, all that kind of stuff that would really benefit you. So yeah, that's just a quick video here, just updating. I'm on vacation right now, so I just thought of some tips and might as well give it to you guys. So yeah, at the end of the day, look at this. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.